how are you all doing? So I just felt like talking to you guys. I also thought that I will show you guys my outfits, like whatever outfits I'm gonna wear for this wedding function, mine as well as Ima's. So I have already shot that because I had to apply Mehandi, and as you guys can see, I have applied Mehandi. This one is already washed. I haven't washed this till now. This one is like kind of like a chemical Mehandi. We need to apply the Mehandi just for like 10 minutes. After that we can just wash it, and this is how it looks like. It's like very bright red color. I am not at all a fan of this kind of Mehandi. I like to apply real original Mehandi, which like comes in these kind of cones. But then with Ima, it's like next to impossible for me to apply that kind of Mehandi and wait for like half an hour. No, that's not gonna happen. So that's the reason I thought I will just apply this. So this is how it looks like, and I know it's like very amateurish because I didn't have any time. First of all, I'm not that great in applying Mehandi. Second of all, I didn't had any time. I just applied it in like flat 5 minutes, and this one, see guys, it feels like first standard kid has scribbled something. But then applying Mehandi with left hand, that one like flat 5 minutes was like really difficult. Now Ima is sleeping. While I was applying Mehandi, she woke up twice, and it was like really hard time for me, guys. Mehandi, right hand Mehandi is dried up, so I'm gonna wash this and gonna sleep because it's already very late. We have to wake up early tomorrow. So and that's it, guys. See you very soon. So this is what I am gonna wear for the wedding. This is like pure Kanchipuram sari. It's like pink in color, and the border is like contrast. It's like violet, and again the pallu is like violet in shade. It's already ironed and it's like nicely folded, so I'm not gonna unfold it, but you guys are gonna see the picture. So this is how the blouse looks like. It's like I have stitched princess line blouse. I know this zipper doesn't look good with this kind of blouse, but then I have given zipper this time, not hook. That's because it's easier for me while like breastfeeding. It's like very easy to open and close. I have given a little bit of detailing over here, stone detailing over here, and here there is hanging, and even for sleeves there is like a little bit of detailing, stonework detailing is there. This is like stone. This one is like single stones. Everyone is single. I have sticked it with fabric glue, and back part I have given again a very nice detailing at the back side. It's like really beautiful, guys. It has turned out really well. It's like very simple princess line blouse. Only thing, the zipper doesn't suit, but it is not gonna show up. So this is what Ima is gonna wear. It's not exactly matching to my dress, but then since it is like violet, it's gonna go very well. It's like violet and golden. It's very simple elastic skirt. I have given a small stone detailing lace over here. I have given this kind of net material over here so that it's like little fluffy. I have made sure that there is no threads or anything which is poking through, which is gonna disturb her, so that's like really comfortable. So this is how the skirt, and here is the top. It's kind of a peplum top, not a complete, it's semi peplum top, because back side it's like elastic. I have given mirror detailing. It's like stretchable so that it's easier to wear. The front side, if you guys can see, I have given first I have given an applique work over here, and here I have given stone detailing. Then I have stitched a flower over that. Again there is like pearl detailing going on. Over that there is a satin rose flower, and there is a very small stone as well. I absolutely loved how it has turned out. It's like so beautiful on her. So, and also there is like barefoot shoes which I have made with the same fabric. Outside this is like violet fabric which is used for this skirt, and inside there is the same golden fabric. So this is what me and Ima is gonna wear for wedding. So the first function on the wedding day actually is a temple wedding, to which I will be wearing the settamunda. It's not sari, it's like settamunda. So there will be like two parts. So this is like one part, and this is like another part. This part will go for the bottom. On top portion, it's kind of a half sari, and I have given like peacock feather detailing. I have cut it out and sticked it, and I've given a stone detailing as well as a mirror detailing. And this is the blouse I'm gonna wear with this. It's a high neck blouse which has got mirror detailing over here, and a golden work is also there, and the back portion is very simple. It's like high neck, and I have given zipper in the at the side, and also I have given cups over here, and same with the sari blouse as well. I have given the cups so that the fitting is like better. This is the underskirt, and for Ima, this is the skirt she's gonna wear, and this is the top, which again has got peacock feather detailing, and here I have given golden beads as well. For my sari there is only the stone detailing going on. For her I have given this beads as well, and it's very simple. Back portion there is like very simple crop top blouse, and this is skirt. It's like a knee length skirt which has got frill, and there's one rose flower, there's one button detailing going on, and frills are like pretty good. Foot sandal I have stitched for this dress. This is very simple flower I have made with like a fabric, a leftover fabric, and there's like mirror detailing over here, and I think this goes really well with this dress. So this is what she's gonna wear with this pretty bow. I have given peacock feathers to this bow. So this is what I'm gonna wear for previous day function. This is not completely stitched by me. It was a semi-stitched blouse, so I stitched it completely, and I've given a little bit of like mirror detailing over here, and the back portion is something very interesting. I absolutely loved it. There's like cups over here, and it's like a net sleeves and zipper in the front. This is the skirt I'm gonna wear. This is like a circular skirt. It is like very flary. I have stitched it with like almost 5 meter of fabric, and the hangings is like really pretty, guys. It has got a parrot and like pom-pom detailing going on with beadwork. It's like really stunning, and this is the dupatta. It's like a crepe material, and to which I have stitched this lace, cut work lace, and this is what I'm gonna wear for previous day function. And for Ima, it's like exactly matching. This is the blouse she's gonna wear. I've cut off this flower from the same lace which I've stitched over my dupatta. So I've given a little bit of mirror detailing over here and over here as well, and it's like a choli, and the skirt is just like mine. It's like circular skirt, and hanging is like very simple cloth hanging itself. So it looks really pretty, guys. Barefoot sandal, so it's like pretty huge there. It's like frilled flower and rose, and elastic is there. So this is what I'm gonna wear for reception function. It is like red lehenga, and this is the skirt, and I have given like nice pearl and stonework detailing at the belt part, and this is the dori, and here I have given the latkan. I have made it with the same cloth of the top itself, and at the bottom there is like lace of mirror work. Completely there is like mirror work going on, and this is something I absolutely loved after stitching. While stitching, I didn't know that it would turn out to be so good. It is like almost 10 meter of fabric, guys, 10 meter of fabric, and so it's like pretty heavy. This is the top, nothing much going on. It's like cut work top, and I have given princess line like cut, and it has got cups over here, and it's very simple top, nothing much going on. But then dupatta, it's like pretty much heavy. You guys can see there is like such a intricate beadwork is going on. Throughout dupatta there is like heavy work going on, very heavy work. So that's the reason I kept the skirt very simple, and even top I didn't go for much detailing, even though the cut work has got a little bit of sequence detailing is going on. It's still simple. So inside the top I have given raw silk as lining, and I have given a side zipper, not the concealing zipper, the normal zipper as the side zipper. That's because concealer zipper might not work properly sometimes, in the sense that it might not be that smooth, so I didn't want to take any risk. That's the reason I went for normal zipper itself. And for dupatta I have given us like lace over here, red lace, and the other side I have given red lace as well as velvet lace, which looks so pretty. And at the bottom part I have given the same as this side. There's like red lace as well as velvet lace, both the sides. See, both the sides. So I have given the opposite side. I have given the opposite side the raw silk border, so that it looks neat from the opposite side as well. So this is what I'm gonna wear for reception function. It looks really beautiful, guys. I am like quite happy the way it has turned out. So this is what Ima is gonna wear. It's a very nice pretty frock. So this is how it looks like. It's like completely red frock. I have stitched a few beads over here, and also the waist part also there is like beadwork going on, beadwork as well as stonework, and there are like ruffles going on at the bottom part. And I have given this thick netted fabric in the lining, so that it's like really fluffy. The skirt is like really fluffy. And for Ima, at the back side there is a tie like this, and also there's a hook over here, and waist part is like elastic, so there is no problem in wearing this frock. Since there is elastic, it will be like stretchable, so it's like very comfortable. I have given very nice thin material, soft material as lining, so that it's not gonna poke her. So that's it. Must be already seen this anarkali in my dad's retirement function vlog. So I'm gonna wear the same. So this is a black yoke anarkali which has got like golden detailing to it, which has got nice embroidery and sequence work going on. Sleeves I have given a black netted sleeve. So the border is like velvet, which has got a sequin work going on, and a very small piping. And the bottom part I have given like golden thread work cloth with pink lining to it. For Ima, she'll be wearing this circular skirt. This is the one she's gonna wear for the previous day of the wedding as well, but the top is different. This is the exactly same material which I have given for my sleeve. So the front part is like this, very simple top, but then back part is like pretty much interesting. It has got like bows at the back. So this is how it looks. And that's it, guys. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching these dresses of mine, which I'm gonna wear for this wedding function. I'll be uploading the pictures very soon, and see you in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.